name's Alien Sightings. He like
Defend
does
the
this really
objectives.
messed up Donald Duck where it's like Donald Duck's like having sex.
Gretzky Buffin?
Do you mean
follow
Greg?
you. Oh my god, shut up, Greg.
How do you do a Donald Duck voice? That seems impossible.
I don't know.
Alright, you watch this door and I'll watch this door.
You have a freaking knife out. How am I gonna watch it?
You watch the door behind. I'm just kidding. Bye-bye.
Charges set.
Well, that's
Bruh.
good.
Nice.
I got you! I threw a shock charge. I'm trying to snipe my friends. Oh. What are you doing? You just win. Oh no, Felipe. After the fuse.
Alright.
Reported.
Charges defused. Good job. Get ready for the next round.
Oh my god, oh my god. Felipe, no.
Search and destroy. Protect the objectives.
This thing made me a little bit angry right now.
I know, right?
No!
Skittles keeps face checking everything.
What do you mean face checking? It's not freaking League.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you're right. XK.
I know, right? Like those back doors. Those I've been
Going XK. They
You
won't
sound
know
a
you're
midget
behind
on
enemy
crack.
line. They won't know. XK.
How do you do a Donald Duck? Like,
You do Xavier's duck thing.
oh, I just tapped aimbot right there. I have to show you that tomorrow, Xavier.
Oh, Miguel's still alive.
I'm this young, not 11 this sequel.
I feel like that's how you like family. They love each other very much.
Good job, Grunts. Get ready for
Dad.
the next round.
But they're both
Dad,
boys.
Your dad takes his
Guys, look at this.
finger,
Look at
right?
this.
Alright?
Don't do it.
And then he
Don't
puts
say
it
it.
in his mouth,
Don't,
right?
don't say it.
And then he throws up into his brother's mouth, right?
What
Right?
is this?
Search and
Then-
destroy.
And then, alright,
Oh, Dr.
Neutralize
then
the
your brother
objective.
does it, right? Okay?
Bomb acquired.
And then what they do is,
He's not listening to us. He's on the other team.
shut up, you don't know that.
If I hit this, my gloves kick my sassy little ass.
Bomb dropped.
Now you flagged you.
Oh!
Guys. Alright.
UAV
Nice, you.
inbound.
True, you did do that.
Oh, Dr. Zoidberg, fuck you up.
Alright, so I'll continue.
Look at these hacks.
Dad
Oh my god.
and his brother love each other very much. Dad and your brother, his brother,
I love you.
their fingers into each other's mouths, right? Then
Operation
puke
complete.
the other
Nice job,
mouth.
Grunts.
No, your
Then
dad's
continue.
brother.
Guys, let me talk here.
Shut up, Dad's in jail.